Hey guys, it's Dom here, your fashion forecaster and style influencer. Before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe. Okay guys, for the first fit, I'm going to use a baggy shirt. Excuse the watermark, I just had some water. But anyways, yes, I'm going to use a baggy shirt and pair it with a pleather pants. Get it? Pleather. Alright, anyways, pair it with some low-cut boots to match the shirt. Super cute. I'm going to go ahead and get a little cap, which I think is cute for the fall season. I like that there's pleather in the shirt as well. Now I'm also getting a leather bag. I really feel for fall season that you could always pair an oversized shirt with some skinny jeans, whether it's pants, pleather, leather, or just tights. I think it'll just fit in with fall. Okay, going on to look number 2. This look has the pleather shorts with the accented sleeves on the shirt. Add some boots to this fit. Add a hat to it. Yo, the ruffles on the shirt look like I could do Congo in this. Cha-cha-cha! Alright, enough about that. Also got a cute little black purse to match with some gold accents. On to outfit 3. I'm wearing a fitted skirt with a long sleeve shoulder cut shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some low cut boots. Of course, add a hat because it is hat season. Add it with a purse. Yo, don't these suspenders look so cute? I love the suspender skirt. Moving on to outfit number 4, I decided to wear a long sleeve shirt dress with some long boots. I decided to go ahead and pair it with a belt just to give it that cute dress look and to give me a snatched waist. Yes. For the final touch, I'm going to add a beret cap. Ain't it cute? I feel like a spy or something in this fit. This fit is so dope. Yes. Coming to the rescue. Kim Possible. Dom Possible, okay? Got my bag and I'm ready for a mission. Okay, outfit number 5. This is a jean outfit. Thought I'd wear with some cute boots. And the fur purse. Y'all know fur is in now because it's cold season, so bring out them furs. Bring out your fox furs, your furs, and you on to go. Moving on to outfit number 6. Now this is the oversized suit, so the big overcoats are in for the season. Added it with a belt. I have my biker shorts on with a bralette. I also got my boots to match. I wasn't really feeling the belt with it, so I decided to go ahead and put the little purse on it instead because it would look better. It would pair better. I don't know, I'm really feeling this fit for some reason. I really didn't think I would like it, but when I put it on, I was like, yes, it's comfy, it's big and snug, but I'm still cute, you know? The androgynous style is in for the season, guys, just to let you know. All right, guys, here is the last look. I'm gonna go ahead and do it basic, add the onesie, the jeans, and a Komodo. My mule heels. Super basic, but it's great for when you're on the go and you just want to look cute for the day. Add a cute bag to it and you're done. Well, I hope you guys like this look. Like and subscribe. Let me know which outfit you like.